Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to APSAC's online support program. I'm Zunaira Javed from Army Public Schools and Colleges, Rahim Yar Khan, Kent. Today we have integrated studies class for grade 2 and we are going to revise chapter number 4, plants, today. Resources required for today's lesson are textbook and notebook. Summary of the lesson is students will be able to know about parts of plants, types of plants, and uses of plants. Objectives: students will be able to identify major parts of a plant, identify the different kinds of leaves found around them, name the plants around them which have flowers and which not have flowers. Identify the ways in which plants are used, for example, food, clothing, and shelter. Topic introduction. A plant is a living thing which makes its own food. We will find plants everywhere. Now you must be wondering about variety of plants. Some are big and some are small. We will study about all types of plants in this chapter. Vocabulary words. Repeat after me. Trunk, shrub, herbs, flowering, non-flowering, compound, baby plant, roots, stem, leaves, clothing, shelter. Next, types of plants. There are plants all around us. Do they all look similar? No, they are different. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big, others are small. First is big plants. Trees. Trees are big and strong. They have a thick and hard main stem. It is also called trunk. The trunk bears branches. Now look at the picture. These are the types or parts of tree: roots, trunk, branches, fruits, and leaves. These are the examples of big plants: mango tree, coconut tree, gulmohar tree. Next, small plants, shrubs. Shrubs are small plants. They do not have a trunk. They have many thin but strong and woody stems with branches near the ground. For example, rose, sunflower, money plant. Next, herbs. Herbs are short and have weak and thin stems. For example, coriander leaves, mint leaves, and basil leaves. These are examples of herbs. Next, we have flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants are those plants which produce flowers and seeds. For example, rose flower and jasmine flower. Next, non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are those plants which do not produce flowers and seeds. So they produce spores instead of seeds. Parts of plants. Parts of a plant. The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Now we will discuss about their function. Roots. Root takes in water from soil. Leaf makes food for the plant. Stem bears leaves and flowers, supplies water and food from one part to another. Fruit bears seed. Flower produces fruits. Bud opens and becomes a flower. Types of leaves. There are two types of leaves: simple leaf and compound leaf. A simple leaf has only single lamina on leaf stalk which is green in color. It has undivided blade. Compound leaf. A compound leaf has more than one leaf or laminas on leaf stalk. It has divided blade. These are the examples of simple leaf and compound leaf. Fruits and seeds. Flowers grow into fruits. Inside the fruit are seeds, which again grow into a new plant. Most of the plants grow from seeds. A plant needs soil and water to grow. Now look at the first picture, seed. Next, a food storage portion and seed coat. This is called parts of seed. And next picture is baby plant. These are examples of seeds, peach seeds, apple seeds and mango seed. Now, uses of plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They give us food, medicines, rubber gum, fibers, oils, perfumes, wood and shelter, etc. So you can see that plants play a very important role in our day-to-day life. First use of plants is food. We get most of our food from plants. We eat different parts of plants. For example, we eat roots. We eat roots of some plants, carrot, radish and beet. Fruits. We eat the fruits of some plants. For example, orange, apple and coconut. Stems, leaves and flowers. We eat the stems, leaves and flowers of some plants. In stems we eat sugarcane and potato. In leaves we eat spinach and coriander. And in flower we eat cauliflower and broccoli. Next, seeds. We eat the seeds of some plants. Cereals and pulses are seed of plants. They make up the major part of our food. For example, wheat, rye and corn. And in pulses, we eat chickpeas and green peas. Some plants give us sugar. Sugar makes our food sweet. For example, sugarcane and sugar beet. Some plants give us oil. We cook our food in oil. Some plants give us spices. They make our food tasty. And some plants give us tea and coffee. We make refreshing drinks with them. Eating food from plants make us healthy. We must grow more plants. Some plants give us fiber used for making cloth, bags and ropes. This is the example of how we use plants in our clothing. For example, we make cloth from cotton, rope from jute and bags from coconut tree. Shelter. Plants give us food. We use wood for making houses. Plants also give shelter to birds and animals. Guess who? Yes, tell me. Next, there are some oral questions. What are flowering and non-flowering plants? We have studied about it. What are the uses of plants? Next is written work. Write the answers of these questions on your notebook. Question number 1 is draw a simple leaf. Question number 2 is draw compound leaf. Question number 3 is draw and label parts of plants. Question number 4, write any 2 uses of plants. Question number 5, what are flowering plants? And question number 6 is what are non-flowering plants? Success criteria. We have learned about what are shrubs and what is the use of roots and how we use plants in our daily life. Follow these instructions while doing your work and send clear pictures to your class teacher. Thank you.